Understanding RAID and NAS network attached storage. RAID, or redundant array of independent disks, is a vital technology used in NAS network attached storage systems to improve data reliability, performance, and storage efficiency. It combines multiple physical hard drives into one logical unit, offering protection against data loss due to drive failure and improving data read/write performance, depending on the configuration. There are several types of RAID levels commonly used in NAS systems. RAID 0. Striping this configuration splits data across two or more drives, enhancing performance but offering no data redundancy. If one drive fails, all data is lost. RAID 1. Mirroring this level duplicates data on two drives, ensuring that if one fails, the other retains a complete copy. It offers high data safety but reduces total usable storage to 50%. RAID 5. Popular in NAS setups, RAID 5 requires at least 3 drives and provides a balance of performance and fault tolerance. Data and parity recovery information are distributed across all drives, allowing one drive to fail without data loss. RAID 6. Similar to RAID 5 but with dual parity, RAID 6 can withstand the failure of 2 drives simultaneously, offering stronger protection for mission-critical data. RAID 10, 1 plus 0, a combination of RAID 1 and RAID 0. It provides both redundancy and speed by mirroring and striping data. This requires at least 4 drives and is ideal for performance-intensive environments. Using RAID in a NAS system ensures that even if a hard drive fails, your data can remain accessible or recoverable. However, RAID is not a replacement for backups. It only provides fault tolerance. Regular external backups are still essential to protect against accidental deletions, malware, or catastrophic failures. Whether for home use or business storage, understanding and choosing the right RAID level for your NAS setup is crucial. It ensures you get the best balance between performance, capacity, and data security tailored to your needs.